Hey there, party lovers! Looking to throw a colorful and cheerful birthday bash. Rainbow themes are fun, bright, and full of happy vibes. They work beautifully for all ages, kids and adults alike. From decor and treats to photo setups, rainbows add charm. We're diving into fresh and easy rainbow decoration ideas. Let's get started and make your celebration pop with color. What are some popular rainbow balloon decorations? Balloon arches in rainbow colors are always eye-catching. You can place them at the entrance or above the dessert table. Use different sizes for a more dynamic look. Mix in cloud-shaped white balloons for added flair. Foil balloons in stars or hearts give extra sparkle. It's an easy way to make a bold, festive statement. How do I make a rainbow backdrop at home? Layer streamers or ribbons in rainbow order against a wall. Use a curtain rod or tape to secure them evenly. Add fairy lights for a magical glow in the evening. Include paper fans or tissue palms for texture. A balloon garland above it finishes the look nicely. Perfect for selfies and cake-cutting moments. What's your must-have rainbow decoration? Share in the comments below. What can I use for rainbow-themed table decor? Use colorful plates, napkins, and utensils to match each color. Layer a white or pastel tablecloth with a rainbow runner. Place rainbow-colored candies in clear jars as centerpieces. Add small flags or mini rainbows for charm. Even the cake stand can match the theme. It all adds up to a fun, coordinated look. How can I match food to the rainbow theme? Rainbow cupcakes or layered cakes are always a hit. Serve fruit platters arranged by color, fun and healthy. Try colorful macarons, jelly cups, or dipped pretzel sticks. Use colored icing to decorate cookies with rainbow shapes. Even drinks can be color-themed with juices or lemonade. Tasty treats can be just as pretty as the decor. Know a cool snack or sweet for rainbow parties? Tell us what you've tried or want to try. What are fun rainbow party favor ideas? Tiny jars of rainbow candy are colorful and cute. Bracelets, crayons, or stickers work great for kids. Use rainbow-colored bags or boxes to pack the favors. Add a thank you tag with a cheerful message. You can even personalize each one for guests. It's a sweet way to say thanks for coming. What games go with a rainbow party theme? Play Color Hunt, where kids find items of every shade. Have a rainbow piñata filled with candy and surprises. Create a ring toss with colorful cones. Set up a craft station for rainbow wands or masks. Try rainbow hopscotch using colorful mats or chalk. Games keep everyone entertained and smiling. Got a fun rainbow party trick? Share it with others in the comments below. How can I make a standout rainbow birthday cake? Bake a multi-layer cake with each layer a different color. Frost it in white with a rainbow reveal inside. Decorate the top with rainbow candy or sprinkles. Add little cloud puffs with whipped cream or marshmallows. You can even shape the whole cake like a rainbow. It'll be the centerpiece everyone remembers. Can a rainbow theme work for teens or adults? Yes. Try sleek, modern decor in rainbow gradients. Use soft pastels or jewel tones for a mature vibe. Decorate with flowers, candles, and minimalistic tableware. Add rainbow-colored drinks or a candy bar station. Keep it playful, but refined. It still feels fun. Rainbows aren't just for kids, they're for everyone. Which color combo would you go for? Pastel or bold? Comment your pick and join the fun. How do I set up a rainbow photo booth? Hang a streamer wall in rainbow order as the backdrop. Add balloons or tassels at the top for dimension. Include props like rainbow glasses, hats, or signs. Use a small bench or floor mat in bright colors. Good lighting makes it photo ready all day. Don't forget a frame or border for fun photos. What lighting works best for rainbow parties? String lights in color order create a dreamy glow. LED spotlights can highlight walls or decor pieces. Use light-up signs in fun rainbow shapes. Lanterns or glowing balloons add nighttime magic. Color-changing bulbs can shift through the rainbow. Lighting brings your whole setup to life. Planning a rainbow photo booth or cake setup? We'd love to see your creative ideas. What rainbow decorations can I use outdoors? Hang colorful streamers from fences or trees. Use rainbow pinwheels along walkways or centerpieces. Add bright picnic blankets or table covers. Balloon columns at the entrance create excitement. Sidewalk chalk can make a rainbow welcome message. Even umbrellas or tents can match the color theme. How can I get guests involved with the theme? Ask guests to wear a color from the rainbow. Assign a different color per table or group. Give out stickers, hats, or leaves in rainbow shades. Set up a DIY craft or cupcake decorating station. Create a group photo moment under the rainbow arch. It builds excitement and makes great memories. What would you wear to a rainbow party? Comment your favorite color. Rainbow-themed parties are more than just colorful. They're full of life, joy, and imagination. They create a welcoming, happy atmosphere that instantly lifts everyone's mood. With simple materials and a little creativity, you can transform any space. From balloon arches to layered cakes, every detail adds magic to the experience. The theme is flexible, fun, and perfect for all ages and styles. It's easy to personalize with DIY elements or playful color combos. Plus, it's a great way to get guests involved and excited. Most importantly, it's about creating bright, lasting memories. So go ahead, celebrate with color and make your party shine. Enjoyed these rainbow party ideas? Let us know which one you're excited to try. Feel free to share your own tips or party photos too. We're here to inspire each other with color and creativity. Follow along for more cheerful themes and planning ideas. Every celebration can be special with the right touch. Let's keep spreading joy, one rainbow at a time.